greetings once more from Best Passion and Reality, and I want to just use this opportunity today. It is Mother Day, and let me just use this opportunity to wish all the mothers, all the beautiful mothers out there, mostly the single mothers. Single mothers, I greet you guys. You people are doing a great job. I know it's not easy to be a single mother, but then I give you my back because you guys are doing it. So once more, happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. So guys, today we are going to be making our marble cake. This is a cake. You can call it black and white cake, or you can call it marble cake. It's a cake that is being mixed with chocolate and with cacao powder or chocolate. You can still use it. So this cake is very simple to make and very easy. We just call it all-in-one. It's an all-in-one cake because you just put the butter, you just mix the butter, then you add your egg one after the other, and then you add your sugar, and then you add the flour, and the cake is good to go. It's a very simple cake and very easy to make. I'm going to decorate the cake with chocolate. I'm going to do some chocolate topping on it. So guys, like I said, we are going to be baking our marble cake. But then before we start doing our baking, and before I show you the ingredients I'll be using for my cake today, please guys, hi, today's Mother Day. Can somebody just give me a present and some hearts, and just go down there and hit that subscribe button? Why not? Just go down and hit that subscribe button. I'm waiting for your subscription, and why not just go there and share the video, like, leave your comments, and then we are going to be making more videos. So guys, thanks for watching, and now here we go with our baking. I'm going to show you my ingredients, what I'll be using for the cake. Once more I say Mother's Day, happy Mother's Day to all the beautiful mothers out there. So let's go baking now. Today we are doing the baking and not a talk show. So stop talking here, my friend. So guys, for our marble cake today, we'll be using 500 grams of butter, 500 grams of flour, 10 egg. As you can see, I've already separated my egg and I've whipped the egg white already. And this is my egg yolk. I'm just going to add my egg yolk to my egg white bit by bit. And here I have 500 grams of sugar. I have here my cacao powder, 35 grams of it. Instead of using milk for this marble cake, I'll be using orange juice. This is orange, freshly pressed, fresh orange juice that I've just pressed the liquid out. So I'll be using the juice from the orange to mix my cacao, and then I'll mix with the rest of the flour and get the dark part of the mixture. So like I said, I've already whipped my egg white. You can still whip the egg together, the egg white and the egg yolk together, or you can just put together with the butter and whip it together. But that's a different method. I will show you guys that some other days, sorry. So today I'm just going to show you guys how I did this one. So I'm going to whip my butter, then I'm going to add my egg white bit by bit with my sugar. So that is my sugar butter mixture, and I'm just going to add my egg bit by bit. And then I'm going to mix it. So this is how my egg yolk, butter and sugar mixture looks like. And I'm just going to add my egg white, my whipped egg white to it, but then I'm going to give it in 3 portions. I'm going to give it in 3 portions. Then I'm going to mix it. So this is how my mixtures look like after adding my egg white, my egg snow to it. And I'm just going to go ahead and zip my flour and baking powder into my eggs mixture. So I also zip my flour into my eggs mixture. This is a very, very important process. Never you miss this process when you are baking your cake. When baking cake, never you miss this process. Always do the sipping of your flour. It's very, very important for your cake baking. With bread, you can just use the flour like that, but when you are making cake, always do the sipping of the flour because it's very, very necessary. Now I'm just going to mix everything together. So this is how our mixture looks like. This is how our batter looks like. Now I'm just going to take my baking pan and then I give part of the dough to my baking pan, and then I'm going to mix my cacao with my orange juice, and then I'm going to give it to the baking pan also. So let me show you guys what I'm going to do now. So there I have my baking pan. I'm just going to give part of my dough to it. As you can see, this is a double recipe. So if you want to make a small hard cake or a normal cake, black and white cake you call it, or a marble cake, you can use 250 grams. Just divide the recipe into 2, and then you have the normal size of the cake. But this is a double recipe, that's why. So, and I'm just going to spread it evenly. So there I have my cacao powder. I'm just going to add my orange juice, 100 milliliters of orange juice, or you can use 100 milliliters of milk or 100 grams, whichever you want. 100 grams of milk or 100 milliliters of orange juice, or 3 egg whites, whichever you want. And then I give it a mix. And now I'm going to add it to give it to the rest of my dough. So there I have the rest of my dough. I'm just going to give it to the rest of my dough and then give it a mix. So there I have my dark butter. My dark butter is there. And then I'm going to mix it, and then I give it to my white butter in my baking pan. And that is it with our black and white cake, or you call it marble cake, or you call it black and white cake. I'm just going to give part of the butter there on my cake, on my white part. So this is how our cake looks like. Our butter looks like, sorry, it's not yet a cake, it's a butter. So I'm just going to use a fork and go to it like this. So to send the dark one into the white. So I'm just going with a fork on it, and then I do same here. I want to make it hard. So our batter is ready. I'm just going to give it to my oven now and bake it on circulation heat for 45 minutes. And then our cake is ready. See you guys when our cake is ready for toasting. So this is how our marble cake looks like, our black and white cake. As you can see, this is how it looks like. And here, this one is a command. Unfortunately, I can't cut it, so I'm just going to deliver it like that. So this is how it looks like. Just take a look. Wow. So thanks for watching, and see you guys in our next video.